or near the DJ box. Okay, right. Now the first round is the happy slappy round, okay? This is where I need everybody to be silent on the boat. I need everybody to be silent because this is going to be awarded to the person making the most loudest slapping noise on their arse cheek, okay? So Leanne, contestant number 1, silence, otherwise you can't judge. Contestant number 1, Leanne. After 3, I need silence from everyone, please. We need to judge how loud the slapping is going to be. So after 3, silence! Gobshite. Shut it. Okay? Listen, look. Listen. You may have a big mouth and I'd love to shove something in, but keep it shut. Right. After 3, Leanne. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Contestant number 2 with the hat. Silence again. We need silence, otherwise we cannot judge this competition. Contestant number 2. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. Silence once again. 1, 2, 3. Finally, contestant number 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Is that round gonna go to contestant number 1? Number 2. Number 3. Or number 4. And then let's go to number 2. Okay guys, the next round now, okay, is the finger round. Oh, don't worry, do not worry. This is how many fingerprints or fingers actually light up or illuminate, if you like, on the arse cheek, okay? So, in reverse order this time, we're going to start with number 4 this time. And then it's going to be, the award is going to go to see how many fingers, indentations you can see on the arse cheek. So you ready? Contestant number 4. After 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll just give that a second to actually take effect there. Now number 3, we're going to go round, we're going to go back. So number 3, are you ready? How many fingers you get on back to there? 3. Excuse me, look. Excuse me. Wait. Excuse me.